Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm sharing the easiest cake recipe. Anyone can make this mouth-watering treat. It only takes 5 minutes to prepare, and the flavor will stay with you long after the last bite. Instructions. 1. In a blender, add 2 room-temperature eggs, 1 cup, 130 grams, sugar, and 1 cup, 130 milliliters, oil. Blend for about 1 minute. Add 1 cup, 130 milliliters, milk, the zest of 2 large oranges, and 2 teaspoons baking powder. Add 1½ cups, 150 grams, flour, and mix until smooth. Stir in 1 tablespoon black poppy seeds. Line a pan with parchment paper, pour in the batter, and smooth the top. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, for about 15 minutes. Let the cake cool completely for 1 hour. Sugar glaze. In a bowl, combine 1 cup icing sugar with 3 tablespoons lemon juice. Adjust the consistency. It should be on the thicker side. Pour the glaze over the cooled cake and let it set. Enjoy this delicious cake with tea or coffee. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.